Hello and welcome. Today we are going to discuss a crucial component of React, the JavaScript library for building user interfaces, JSX. JSX is an extension of JavaScript that allows for the creation of HTML-like syntax within JavaScript code. It provides a convenient way to declaratively describe what a user interface should look like and how it should behave. Let's take a look at an example. With JSX, you can write code such as this to produce a button component with specific styling and functionality. Const button equals greater than console.log button was clicked greater than click me koshtak alpviram dot. In the above example, we first create a variable button which is a React component. We then add the styling, as well as an onClick method that will log a message to the console when the button is clicked. We can also directly pass props to our component. To do this, we can write something like this. Const button equals props equals greater than console.log props message greater than props text koshtak alpviram dot. Here, we can directly pass arguments such as text, background color and message to our component as props. By doing this, we can easily create components that can be reused and are customizable. For example, we can use the same button component everywhere in our application but pass a different text, background color or message to it in different places. This makes our code dry and more maintainable. Backquote. Export default button equals props equals greater